This is the entrance into Rizal Park. Beautiful park. Lots to see. I'd love to have a house inside a garden like this. Beautiful. Growing out of a log. That is cool. Just strap it onto a log. That's neat. So if you're ever down here in Manila, you've got to go to Rizal Park. It is gorgeous. And then they also have a kids area to go to, and if we have time we're going to go to that. And then we're going to head to Chinatown. Yeah, it's like the oldest Chinatown outside of China. Oh, loud noise. This is a really beautiful part of the park right here. And that just walking amongst the trees, it makes it nice and cool. Staying out of the shade, out of the sun, in the shade. And supposedly there's lots of different plants around here. And they've got them tagged. So, show you around. Back in 2016, I used to love to come down here and just walk around. It was beautiful, and I get that chance now. Trying to buy an umbrella. Good. Now she's got her umbrella. She's safe from the sun. We're gonna go visit the Japanese garden now. Pretty. Nice young. I'm getting a suntan. So something that's new here at the park is the fact that you don't have to pay to go into the separate gardens, and that's really nice. It wasn't that much before, but now it's all free. Look at that gong. Ooh, wouldn't you like to ring that? Nice. Oh, look at that. Frog. Look at that frog. remember as a kid catching great big frogs like that. That was cool. That is big. Oh, look at that vine. That is pretty. This again, it's the Japanese garden. Go through all that stringamaging. Pretty, pretty. Have you ever been here to the Rizal Park and seen the different parks that they have? You need to come and see it if you haven't. It is so beautiful here. You really enjoy it, I think. Nice bamboo shoots right there. A cluster makes it almost look like one tree. Very beautiful. There's another one. There's a lot of them right here. Now that I realize, I thought they were trees, but they're individual bamboo shoots. Cool. Can you see the image and read it? This is a nice mural. Go all the way along it. This is in the Japanese garden within Rizal Park. Beautiful area. Nice to see, nice to look at. You want to take a stroll. Nice, calm, relaxing. No bar scenes here. Sorry. There's the skyline from the park here in Manila. And you got the ocean that way. Manila Bay. Going into the Chinese garden. Here in Rizal Park. Okay, I've been here before. I don't know if you can see me. I'm a little dark now. Let that camera adjust. Big old trees. Beautiful. Oh, we got a nice little water fountain here. They have some nice lily pads. Again, nice, quiet. And there's a little kid getting off the path. And he's going to go over the fence. Watch. There he goes. They went a monkey. Nice little bird. And it says, this way. By the way, am I sweating? Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Not used to this humidity. Yeah, I'm used to heat in West Texas, but not the humidity. But I'm doing good. There you go, it's on. This is on the exit of the Chinese garden. Beautiful. It's a beautiful big park. Bring water. It's hot and humid out here. Well, I'm finally sweating like a pig, as they say. So, but I'm enjoying it. It was peaceful going through Rizal Park. Now the kids area, they've got that closed off. They're renovating it. And I just wanted to go back there and see if my uncles were there. I call them uncles. And that I met them. They're Filipinos. And that, but they've got it closed off to renovate it, so can't get in.